Sharp objects, in case you ain't know. Sometimes I daydream about fast cars and bad bras, about doom buggies with crash bars, off the weed and the Xanax bars. I mean they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up at night. I daydream about fast cars and bad bras, yeah. About doom buggies with crash bars, yeah. Off the weed and the Xanax bars. I mean they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up. Sometimes I daydream about 10 mil record deals. I fall asleep and wake up, this shit ain't never real. Nah, about good lawyers and crime stories. I need a bitch to hold the strap that's gonna ride for me. About back alleys and gravel roads, about getting them Robert Downey roles, about when I was in the county broke, waiting on my girl to put some money on the phone at night. About dope beats and 16s, playing Xbox 360s on the big screen. About hard liquor and cocaine. I daydream about good sticky and mo change. About fast cars and bad bras, about doom buggies with crash bars, off the weed and the Xanax bars. I mean they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up at night. I daydream about fast cars and bad bras, yeah. About doom buggies with crash bars, yeah. Off the weed and the Xanax bars. I mean they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up. Sometimes I daydream about spotlights and big stages, yeah. About Bugattis and big faces, about foreign girls that get paper. I need a mansion by the lake sitting on 10 acres. About murder novels and book signings, about alien UFO sightings, about studios that's fully decked, kitchen come with models, half naked culinary chefs, about rap money and dope dealing, sitting on the block sipping liquor while we smoke ism, about yacht masters and Audemars. I daydream about party beans and Mardi Gras, about fast cars and bad bras, about doom buggies with crash bars, off the weed and the Xanax bars. I mean they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up at night. I daydream about fast cars and bad bras, yeah. About doom buggies with crash bars, yeah. Off the weed and the Xanax bars. I mean they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up. Sometimes I daydream about Ferraris and them Lamborghinis, about 5% tint, y'all could barely see me. About LPs and soundtracks. I dream about falling off and then I bounce back. About stone statues and old castles, about the happy life with no hassles, about hood bitches that hold it down. I daydream about good pussy to go around, about blood money to throw around. Most of my dogs is blood hungry, we on the prowl. About platinum kush and gold Vegas. I daydream about corner stores and bodegas, about fast cars and bad bras, yeah. About doom buggies with crash bars, yeah. Off the weed and the Xanax bars. I think they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up at night. I daydream about fast cars and bad bras, yeah. About doom buggies with crash bars, off the weed and the Xanax bars. I think they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up at night. I daydream about fast cars and bad bras, yeah. About doom buggies with crash bars, yeah. Off the weed and the Xanax bars. I think they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up at night. I daydream about fast cars and bad bras, yeah. About doom buggies with crash bars, yeah. Off the weed and the Xanax bars. I think they sleeping on the guard. Wake 'em up at night.